Hello everyone, I'm Grace. Welcome to our channel. Today we'd like to introduce these two aluminum parts to you. This one is a motor housing. It is made from aluminum rod by CNC machining. And the difficulty lies in the deep hole and the thin wall. There is a left-handed thread. It's covered. It is different from normal thread. This one is a venturi. The hole is long. It's necessary to drill the holes at both ends to process. Also, it's made from aluminum rod by CNC turning process. There is an inclined hole and it connects with this center hole. Now let's measure its key dimensions. This venturi is gold anodized, and this motor housing is black anodized. Okay, now let's measure their weight. Thanks for your watching.